How to get super high score in Block Blast. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login Adelaide, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Block Blast app on your device. After that, you need to always look at the available blocks and think a few moves ahead. This helps you place blocks efficiently and avoid getting stuck. After that, you need to clear multiple lines. Try to clear more than one line at a time. This gives you more points and creates extra space for new blocks. After that, you need to avoid gaps. Isolated gaps can make placing future blocks tricky. So simply, you need to prioritize feeding gaps to keep your board open and flexible. And now, use power-ups wisely. If power-ups are available, save them for top spots or to create big combos. Use them strategically to maximize your score, and then you need to make sure to practice regularly. The more you play, the better you will get at spotting patterns. And then, making smart decisions, practice is the key. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.